Hi guys, in today's video we are going to see is YouTube TV free. So we are now on the official website and here you can see that try it free. So you can basically try it for free. After that you can see different plans. That is almost $58 per month for your first 3 months, and after that $73 thereafter for YouTube TV base plan. So here you can see that see all channels, and in the base plan you get these channels. And if you want to add other channels, so here you can see add-on network. So you need to pay, I think, extra for these channels as well. So is YouTube TV free? Definitely it is not. You can try it for free, but after that you need to pay to have this for your watching. And currently you can easily access this if you are from the US. So I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day.